Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great today. Going to make a shortish video over what to do with enameled pieces that you can pick up at Goodwill or garage sale, stuff like that. First thing, you want to look it over really good. This one a buddy of mine went and picked up for me. This one's actually in pretty good shape. It's a Paula Deen. It's got some stuff in it where they didn't clean it out good. Overall, the whole piece, there was only one little chip, and it's right there on the lid, which is not a big deal because it's on the outside. You always want to make sure that you don't get anything that's got chips on the inside, because if they're chipped on the inside, it's not good to use because it can start coming off in your food, especially when you get up to temperature. You don't want to eat food that's got glass in it. This one, being in this shape, all I'm going to have to do to it is just use a little bit of Barkeeper's Friend, my little green pads, some Dawn. Just scrub it out real good. You want to clean the entire pot. When I was growing up, we had something like this. It was a round one. I can't remember what it was. But every once in a while when my mom would cook in it, it would have like stains in it. Well, something like that, I know she always would just soak it in bleach and water and then go back the next day and then scrub it, and then it come totally clean. I know you can take and use baking soda, and you can boil water in it. There's different things you can do to get the stains out. But I'm going to take and put this in the sink, get it wet, and we'll scrub it a little bit and see how it comes out. Alright guys, I have scrubbed at this thing. It actually had a lot more stuff in it than I thought. It was stuck pretty good. Actually was like a beige color, and actually looks like the inside was supposed to be white. So, but it looks like it all came up. It took quite a bit of scrubbing. The one thing about the edges too, most of them, their edge, I don't know, they put some kind of coat on it, but this one, it seemed like whatever coat was there was gone, so a lot of little rust came off. What I usually do is after I clean the inside of the pot and get it dry, I'll take just a little bit of canola oil and just run my finger along the edge, make sure that it's coated with that, and then wipe it with a dry rag just to make sure that it's old but it's not like wet, and that should protect it. And basically from here, once you got the inside clean, you just clean the outside good too. Clean the lid, dry it off real good. If you've got the little protectors that go around, that'll take and make sure it doesn't get any chipping on this, and you'll have a Dutch oven that's ready to go. And usually, I mean, this one I got for 15 total with tax, and new, I'm not sure how much these are, but it probably around 50. So you save a lot if you could find them at the garage sales, and they're worth cleaning up if it's not chipped inside. Alright guys, so after all said and done, this is what you're wanting to see. You're wanting to have a clean inside. The rim looks good, doesn't have any rust on it. Lid looks good. That's going to be the first thing people see. And there it is. Hope everybody has a great day.